back to my channel. I low-key been slacking, but y'all know I'm back. Anyways, I'm feeling my hair today. You know what I'm saying? Today I'm gonna be doing a review on this little product thingamajigger. I'm just kidding. It's not really a product. It's like a washing machine, but it's a toy washing machine. And I saw everybody online using it as a cleaner for their beauty blender or whatever like that. So I was like, you know what? That'd be a good YouTube video. So I bought it. I don't know how long it took to get here because I think I want to say tops 2 weeks, but I don't even think it took 2 weeks to get here. So the thing is, I don't even use beauty blenders, but I really wanted to try it. I have a beauty blender, but I really don't use it. So the only beauty blender that I've ever used, I cut it in half because I was watching this other video and it was like cut it in half to do something or whatever. Right now, all I can find is the top half. I'm looking for the bottom half, but if it's not in here, I'm just gonna use the bottom half, and then we'll still see if it cleans because it's still pretty dirty. Like, I spilled makeup on it. Well, I didn't spill makeup on it, like makeup just got all over it. So we'll still see if it cleans. Oh, I found it. I found the bottom half. I don't know if I'm supposed to put it in there both together or what, but we'll see. No, something. I really don't be looking at the camera. I be looking at myself because I'm like, dang, do I look good? Okay, next. So I received it in a box like this. Well, I got mine from AliExpress. I get all my stuff from AliExpress, honestly. So, I forgot to hide my address. Y'all cannot know where I live. Okay, y'all, I'm gonna open it. Oh, this is basically an unboxing. I wasn't gonna open it today, but I was like, I kinda wanna see what it looks like. So, of course, it came from Japan, so this is like, or China. So it's Chinese written all over it, and I'm not sure I'm gonna be able to understand what I'm supposed to do. Oh, this thing needs batteries. I think it needs AA. Please AA. Oh no, I have AAA. But this is AA. OMG, y'all. Y'all see on this side of the box, they got, I don't even know. I see the washing machine. They got a vacuum cleaner, a fan, a flashlight, a cake, a telephone, a radio. I think this is an air conditioner. They got an iron, they got a sewing machine, and I think that's a blender. And they got a microwave. I'm not gonna be a kid and buy everything. I just found a toaster, but let me stop. Okay, I should have brought my scissors over here, but I got something. I got what you want. Try me. Cut you with a fingernail file. Oh my G, I almost broke my thing. Got him. Ew, that don't look nasty. Y'all know certain things creep me out. That look nasty. That letter call about this box, bro. I'm kind of mad because I don't know how to work this board. I ain't gonna lie, I like the way this feels. This feels good. Okay. It's a wash machine. And I don't know how to work it. I think I might have to look up the instructions. Like, I think I really might look up the instructions. Okay, y'all, so I got my batteries, AA batteries. I still don't know how to work this, but it's cool. The little battery thing is at the bottom, so I don't have a screwdriver. I mean, I'm pretty sure I do, but guess what? It's probably like really far from me, and I don't feel like going to go get it. So I'm going to use this nail file for everything, and it's working. So I'm about to lose the nail screw. Okay, so I'm gonna have to take the screw all the way out. I just really hope I don't lose it. I'm gonna put it right here. Okay. Oh, I feel like I'm about to play with a toy. I mean, it is a toy, to be honest. I haven't put batteries in a toy in so long. Like, okay. I'm so glad I took my nails off. I would not have been able to like do this at all, or it would have took like 3,000 years. Oh my god. That wasn't supposed to happen. Okay, I'm gonna have to put the battery down and screw that in. That's right. Go right back in there. Oh. Nail file got stuck. Alright. This looks like the wash machine has a tail. But to be honest, you do know like a real wash machine has like a little cord thing here. Oh, it goes up here. It goes up here in a little hook. Oops. I don't have any instructions. I'm gonna drop the wash machine. I would have been devastated. Y'all look. It's like all stickers, of course. Oh, I gotta sneeze. It went away. So there's like a little button up here. It's like literally the only button on here. So anyway, so I'm gonna see what happens when I click it. Yo, it locked shut. It locked like an actual. Oh no, it didn't. Y'all know how a real wash machine lock. Watch. I thought it had locked, but it didn't. It didn't. Okay, lock. Okay, so look, it's like a little thing in there. When I press the button, it spins. Oh, I can do it automatic. Yeah. So I'm guessing I'm supposed to put water in it, like an actual wash machine, and then I put the beauty blender in there for it to wash. But I just thought about it. Shouldn't I be putting soap in there too? Okay, so I'm about to put soap in there. Like, y'all sound stupid. I do know how to wash clothes, y'all. I do. Okay, so what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put some Dawn in there with it, cause I know people use Dawn like for their beauty blenders already. So I put water in there. I put like hot water in there, but not like steaming hot water. And I didn't fill it up to the top, cause I don't want like that spin was pretty powerful. I'm not sure if it's gonna like run out or whatever. I want to show y'all how much is in there. Hold on. Okay, y'all, so I have the water in there. Oh, you see how the top is getting kind of cloudy because I told you I put hot water in it and freeze it. Okay, so this is how much water I kind of put in there. I don't know if y'all can kind of see it, but I'm trying to figure out if I should put the soap in there first or the beauty blenders. Well, I kind of want the soap to blend in the beauty blenders as well, so I'm just gonna drop the beauty. Okay, I'm gonna drop the beauty blenders in there. Wait, you know what? I'm gonna do one at a time. Okay. Now I'm gonna put some soap in there. There is way too much soap. I couldn't really see. Now I'm gonna close it. Oh shoot. I'm scared. You think the top is gonna pop? Dang. So I'm a bad photographer. He's in there washing. OMG, I think it's really up in there washing. How am I supposed to? Alright, you know what? Okay, so I'm gonna let it do what it do. It's 6:05. I'm gonna let it sit in there for 5 minutes. So I'm gonna come back in 5 minutes. Okay, so it's been 5 minutes. I think I'm supposed to drain the water. Y'all, it does not look clean. Or I'm tripping, or maybe I just need like a second. I don't know. Okay, so I'm guessing this right here is for the water to drain. So let me see what happens when I like kind of like try and pour it out. Hold on. Okay, y'all. So like I showed y'all earlier, it's like a little drainage thing on the end. So I'm just gonna like pop it from off the thing that I had it sitting on, and I don't know. I poured it like this so it come out. Isn't that so cool? It's draining the water. That is so cool. I feel like that'll take years though, but it is a toy. Like, it's a toy. Oh my no, it's actually draining really fast. Oh my gosh. This is weird. That was weird. I didn't think it would drain that fast. Okay. Okay, so now we're pretty much just left with the Beauty Blender. Let's look at it. It was cold. Why is it cold? It's really soapy, like. Oh y'all, I should have did it before and after. It did clean. Oh, sorry y'all. Y'all see all my makeup coming out of it. I'm not okay. Like, look. There's still like little smudges on it, but compared to what it looked like earlier, it definitely cleaned. It definitely did. That is crazy. That is real crazy. I would put like a little thing in here so y'all can see before, but like just go ahead, y'all go to the beginning of the video to when I put these in the wash machine and y'all see that it did not look like this. It did not. It looked dirtier than this. That's crazy. That's real crazy. Honestly, I'm actually pretty shocked. Like, I'm pretty shocked. I had seen many videos, but like I didn't think that it was actually going to wash. I really did not know, y'all. I didn't. Like, this was like, from where I bought mine, it was like $4 and some change. It wasn't even $5. Like, I was telling my friend, like, if I had something like this when I was younger, I would have been so happy. Like, I had the Barbie Dream House. Like, it didn't have no wash machine in it. Like, what? If I was like rating this, I would give it a I'm gonna give it a 10 out of 10 because this Beauty Blender is pretty clean, and this is what the bottom looks like, and the bottom was pretty much just as dirty as the top. But I'm gonna give it a 9 out of 10 just because like some of the marks are still in there, but it's still clean. It cleaned my Beauty Blender. And I left it in there for 5 minutes, probably like 5 minutes and 30 seconds because I was staring at it, or it probably was like 6 minutes because I was staring at it. But it literally stayed in there for under 10 minutes and came clean. And y'all see when I squeezed it, like, well, when I squished it, you know, like the water came out and like my makeup residue came off, but like, wow. That's honestly crazy to me. That is. Anyways, since I'm so nice, I'm gonna go ahead and leave y'all the link to buy this same wash machine that I got. I'm gonna put a link down below. I hope it's the same price. I mean, I can't guarantee y'all anything. All I can say is make sure, like, they give you an option to have it shipped from China or the US. Have it shipped from China because even though it takes longer than from the US, it still doesn't take that long. Cause like I said, I really feel like it's been under 2 weeks. It has been under 2 weeks. I feel like it's been like a week and a half or maybe like 2 weeks, but no more than that. You know what I'm saying? That's the end of this video, pretty much. Like, I'm still shocked. I really am. But make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and I'll see y'all in the next video.